open this. 3, 2, 1. Let's do this. This is fun, man. Well, not fun. Can't wait to open this. Well, not.
Oh, we got nothing to lose. When I met you in the summer, whoa, the summertime, when I met you in the summer, the summertime, yeah. When I met you in the summer, oh, we got nothing to lose. When I met you in the summer.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're wondering about this mask, you can get it at Summer's Kitty's Closet on Instagram. And please subscribe to Summer 365 Days, which you are watching now. So today what I will be doing is unboxing my Selfi Ring light. But first, I want to do post notification shout out to my grandmother, Monica Miles, and one to my cousin, Jadon Barrett. So, I want to bless this and pray that it helps me to shine bright in these videos. Amen. So, I want to open this. I didn't choose a big scissors this time because, you know, big scissors can be a little dangerous sometimes. So, I want to open this. 3, 2, 1. Let's do this. This is fun, man. Well, not fun. Can't wait to open this. Well, I'm not sure if this has as much parts as a camera should, but I'm pretty sure this will have a stand and
1, 2, 3, come on!
There we go. There's still more? Come on, I want to open this thing already. Finally. So, this has been... Nothing else there. Let's put this away. There's a card. I'm not going to read that. It looks flexible to me, because it is. like, professionals. I wonder what this is for. I'm not gonna trouble this. Oh, this looks like some radio stuff. Oh, this is like an adapter in here. Wonder if I can do this and troubleshoot. Yeah. Never mind that. Anyways, so this looks like to clip on this surfaces. Oh, it's strong, nice. I like this shiny material. I like it. And this part looks like it's kind of a control remote. See? This looks like for brightness or vice versa. This is to minus the brightness of the light. This is to plus, and this is to power on. See? Let's give this a test run. There's somewhere here. Ah, got it. Test run. Nah. Ooh, shiny. minus, plus, 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 minus, plus, plus, plus. Have you realized it gets brighter when you press plus, plus, and minus, minus? Wow, I like it. Alright, that's it. This is actually a good thing this doesn't use batteries. Well, yeah. I'm not gonna have any time to
1, 2, 3, come on!
Carefully put it in the box. Nobody gets hurt. Put this user manual back. Looks like no one touched the baby. Hope you like this video. Well, I hope you like this ring light because it's gonna make my videos brighter. Not bright enough. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Summer 365 Days, and go follow Summer's Kitty's Closet.